Hello future doctors and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are focusing NUMS test preparation. Let's get started. The first MCQs is pick the correct option. A. 7 students' results are still awaited. B. 7 students' results are still awaited. C. 7 students' results are still awaited. And D. 7 student results are still awaited. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which punctuation mark will be used to separate both the classes in the following sentence? A. The gang was rounded up the raid, the leader escaped. A, B, C, D. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is 15 minutes dish allowed to each speaker. A, S, B, R, C, were, and D are being. So the correct option is R. The next MCQ is choose the correct passive voice. How did she defraud him of his savings? A. How had he been defrauded of his savings? B. How had he been defrauded by her? C. How was he defrauded of his savings? And D. How was the defrauded by her of his savings? So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is identify the error and choose the correct option. The rehearsal session started and we have little time to spare for other activities. A. The rehearsal session started and we have little time to spare for other activities. B. The rehearsal session started and we little time to spare for other activities. C. The rehearsal session started and we has little time to spare for other activities. D. We are little time to spare for other activities. The rehearsal session starts. So the correct option is A. The rehearsal session started and we have little time to spare for other activities. The next MCQ is fill in the blanks with appropriate option line like any other carnivore dish on meat. A. Live. B. Lives. C. Does not live. And D. Living. So the correct option is live. The next MCQ is fill in the blank with appropriate option. A. The kettle dash away the crops. A. Has eaten. B. Is eaten. C. Have eaten. D. Have been eaten. So the correct option is C. Have eaten. The next MCQ is the word labyrinth means A. Maze. B. Heap. C. Hive. And D. Night. So the correct option is A. Maze. The next MCQ is pick the correct option. These are old, those are new. A. These are old, those are new. B. These are old, those are new. C. These are old and those are new. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is identify the error and choose the correct option. The first space travel was Dennis Tratu from United States. A. The first space traveler was Dennis Tratu from the United States. B. The first space traveler was Dennis Tratu from the United States. C. The first space traveler was Dennis Tratu from the United States. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is select the right sentence. A. He opened the square red wooden box. B. He opened the red square wooden box. C. He opened the wooden red square box. D. He opened the red wooden square box. So the correct option is he opened the red square wooden box. The next MCQ is fill in the blank. I can't walk further. B. Far. C. Further. And D. Away. So the correct option is further. The next MCQ is can you tell this fact dash has face? A, true, B, and C, upon, D, at. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is choose the correct option. A. The Three Mosquitoes was written by Domus. B. The Three Mosquitoes were written by Domus. C. The Three Mosquitoes has written by Domus. And D. The Three Mosquitoes have written by Domus. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is they have painted their house purple. The sentence is an example of monotransitive, B ditransitive, C complex transitive, D reflex transitive. So the correct option is C, complex transitive. The next MCQ is select the correct option. He was killed dash rubber dash a hatchet. A. From with, B. By it, C. Through far, and D. By with. So the correct option is by with. The next MCQ is choose the correct option. A. Will no, perhaps not, sir. B. Will no, perhaps not, sir. C. Will no, perhaps not, sir. And D. Will no, perhaps, comma, not, sir. So the correct option is B. Thanks for joining me. I hope these MDcat MCQs help you sharpen your knowledge. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.